Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you good budget how to receive envelopes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To reset envelopes in good budget, meaning you want to clear or set envelope balances back to zero, you can do it by adjusting the envelope's balances manually or by using the fill envelopes feature to set balances to zero. Then what you can do is use fill envelopes to set balances to zero. To do it, simply head over and open up your web browser, then on the search bar type in Goodbudget, then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the homepage of the Goodbudget, simply tap on the profile icon on the top right and log in with your credentials. Then once logged into your Goodbudget account, what you need to do is just simply select or click on the option that says fill envelopes from the menu. Then in the fill envelope screen, set the date, usually the first of the month, and choose fill from available option. Then for each envelope, enter 0 as the amount to set the balance to 0. Then once all done, review all the details and save the fill envelopes transaction. This will adjust your envelope balances to 0, effectively resetting them. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.